Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add someone to a private Slack channel. So, let's start. First, open your Slack account. Go to the private channel where you want to add member. As you can see, there is a padlock icon beside the name of this channel, which means that this is a private channel. Click on that, and to add member into this channel, simply right-click on it, then click this View Channel Details. Here, go to Members, so let's click this tab. In this Members tab, you can see the list of the members of this private channel. To add people, simply click this option. A prompt will appear, and here, choose this Add Members to this existing channel. Then press Continue. Now, enter in this box the email address of that person you want to add. Once done, click Add. Let's go back to the Members page. As you can see, that person has been added to this channel. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to add someone to a private Slack channel, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.